Hello guys, welcome back to Solving Web. Today I'm gonna show you how to add.txt file. First of all, how to create and add.txt file on your website. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, first you have to check whether you have those files already inserted in your website or not. Okay, let's check. So for example, type your website domain name and ads.txt. Okay, let's check. So we don't found any kind of page, this page. Okay, so and now I'm gonna make it little bit change here. I'm gonna make it uppercase letter. Okay, because sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we add like uppercase or lowercase, so we have to check in a two different ways. So add uppercase ads.txt and lowercase ads.txt. Okay, there you go. So we don't found anything. Okay, so it means we can now verify it. So there is no any kind of add.txt file. Okay, so once we get verified from these things, so now we have to go back to our AdSense. There you go, and we have to find out sites, and here you can see your websites. So if you didn't add, or if you didn't insert your any of your website, then you can add your new website from this tab. You can see here new sites plus icon. Just click here and put your domain name and just get it started. Okay, or if you have done already, so for example, I have done some of this website. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna click. Okay, see, once I click, it will show different pages. Okay, so here you can see three different type of option. So add AdSense code, from AdSense code, or from add.txt, or from meta tag. So we're gonna follow add.txt. Okay, so just copy this one. Okay, I'm not gonna show my code or my everything. Okay, so you might find on your website. I mean in your website AdSense, but I'm not gonna show here each and everything because these are private information. Okay, so let's go to file manager. Okay, so this is my file manager. If you know how to access file manager uh, from your hosting company, or like a cPanel, you can just simply go to your file manager, and right here you can see create, you need to create a new file. Okay, and write your file name ads.txt, create, and just paste those things which we copied from our Google AdSense. Okay, just paste it and save it. Okay, if you don't know how to access through cPanel, then I'm gonna show you the really easiest way. Okay, so ignore this one. I'm gonna ignore this one, and I'm gonna show you the another way. So here you go to your website admin panel. So this is our website WordPress admin panel. So just log in with your username and password. All right, guys. And now here, what we have to do, the really important thing is we have to, where is it? We have to install, or we have to add a new plugin. So because if you don't know how to go from cPanel, then this gonna be really easiest way. Okay, Just type file file explorer, or like, no, I'm gonna say like file manager. File manager, file manager. So here we are. So you can see file manager. Okay, this is really good plugin. So I'm gonna install. Okay, active. And now we have to see file manager. Okay, here you can see on the left side at the bottom. Okay, you can see a file manager plugin. Okay, so click on it. I'm gonna click. Okay, so here, so you can see all your like a file folder, each and everything, all like what you got on your website. You can access everything here. So here, what we have to do now, we have to create a file. So to create a file, you can see here new file. Okay, so you need to do, or you need to create new file. Okay, not the new folder. Okay, create a new file and add txt, plain text. Okay, and just name the file. Okay, ads.txt. Enter. Here you go. You can see here ads.txt. I'm gonna click on it. So you don't see anything. So because we don't like for now, so far we don't we didn't add anything, so you can't see anything in it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just right click on it and editor. Okay, now here we're gonna paste. We're gonna let's go again here. You can see here add the txt file. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay, save and close. So I'm gonna open it. See, now you can see all the text. Okay, all the code from your Google AdSense. So from this way, like you have added successfully, like add the txt file in your website. Okay, so now let's check again. Type your website name and ads.txt. Oh, sorry. So I'm really sorry. It was in uppercase. So because we have to type like exactly what we did, like say, now you can say it. When you type your domain name /add.txt, you can see like your Google AdSense, like publisher ID, or everything here. From this way, you can insert and you can add or insert add.txt file on your website. Well guys, thanks for watching and keep subscribing, and from now onward I'm gonna publish a lot of video guys. Stay tuned guys. Thank you guys. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.